Ooh, we're live. Okay. Let me see if I can see myself over here. And go over here. Channel. Yep. Alright, I'm live. So, what am I talking about? Talking about a new application that just hit Pinocchio. If you guys don't know what Pinocchio is, go to Pinokio.computer and you will find out. Let me jump over there real quick and show you. So Pinokio.computer is a way to install, run, and control apps on your computer locally. Basically everything diffusionary. So if you want to do, images, videos, animations, face swapping, you want to run a chat model. What I want to talk about today is turning a blurry image clear. Very useful to restore imagery. Maybe you have some old images that you want to scan from your family back in the day and didn't have a way to do it. Now you do. I see other applications for this as well, involving, security. Oh, my camera isn't 4K. How can I get a better image of that guy that broke into my car or something? So, without further ado, let's jump into it. So anyway, this is Pinocchio. This is the tool that you can use to download all those different applications. It's an application itself. It's really easy to install, and it uses your computer's hardware to run the applications. Little side note, if you are doing diffusionary models, it would be best to have a NVIDIA card in your computer, an RTX 2060 or 3060 390. I have a 3090 and it works very well. RAM is also important. 12 gig is okay. 24 is probably recommended for some of these different applications. What we're going to go over today is that app I'm talking about, which is it's Xpixel is the company, but the actual app is SUPIR. Revolutionizing image restoration with cutting-edge, large-scale AI. So I tried it, with a few different images. I did one of the rock that was slightly blurry, and it cleaned them up. But to really see the power behind this, I tried this really blurry image of a man with a headband. So just so you know, I didn't just take an image and blur it and put it in here. I did kind of a search for it online. Using that blurred image. I couldn't find the original image. If you guys find the original image, great. More power to you. Here's another one. Here's in Wikipedia. So I wanted to see how well it would do. The prompt is simply guy with headband. All right. One sample. I'm going to upscale it 2 times. Steps 50. If you guys don't know what any of this means, I can explain it to you. Upscale is the amount of times I want to make the resolution bigger, so I'm going to double the size of the image. Steps, the more steps, the better quality of an image you're supposed to get. Guidance scale is how closely to the prompt it's going to follow, so we're like 7.5, which is like right in the middle. If you wanted AI to be creative about what it sees, you can make that number a little less. If you went all the way up, you get kind of artifacts and other kind of things in the image. So around 6.5 to 8 is where I like to stay. Some of these other things, guidance strength 2, I don't know what that means. We're going to keep that default. Seed is the fingerprint of an image, so basically every time you use a seed, you generate a certain noise pattern, which then diffuses it in the similar way. The seed is like the fingerprint, so to keep consistency there. S churn, S noise, I'm not sure. We're going to keep that default. And then it has some other default positive prompts. So basically this is going to be added to this. And I see they've used all the right words to get the best quality image possible, and also the best words to get the negative prompt. Negative prompt means what you don't want to see, right? So we don't want to see a painting, we don't want to see an illustration or a sketch. All right, so let's run this. Boom. So we're going to run that. It's going to take a little bit of time. Remember, I'm using Pinocchio, so it is using, where is, wait a second here. Oh no, I hope I didn't shut it down. Let me go back to the home. Okay, it's right here. Woo! Alright. So if we go here, and we go to the terminal, and we open it up, it's connected. Hopefully it doesn't, let's do refresh. Oh, I love going live. I'm pretty sure it's running in the background. Everything should be fine. There we go. There we go. It took a little bit of time to pop up. So you can see here it's going through and identifying the image. It's running all the different models. Here's the decoder. Oh, it says it's done. Let's check it out. All right. So pretty amazing result here. So here is a full blurry image of some person. And I just said guy with headband, and it was able to come back with a very realistic looking human representation of that image. So I find this tool to be very useful in, you know, taking old images, making them, bringing them back to life, so to speak, and also to identify maybe some bad people with blurry, low resolution security cameras. We can, you know, we can bring those back. So anyway, if you want to learn more, I'm going to put it in the description. Just wanted to do a quick video about this application that I'm running on Pinocchio. Excellent tool. I suggest you check it out. Computer. And if you have any questions, just reach out to me in the comments and I'll get back to you ASAP. Or you can reach out to me on Twitter, which is One Busy Guy. That is my handle. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I will catch you guys again soon. Take care.